Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Starlink and HughesNet. Starlink and HughesNet are satellite internet providers but with different experiences. Starlink offers fast internet speeds ranging from 50 Mbps to 200 Mbps, making it perfect for streaming without much buffering. It also has low latency, which is important for smooth online experiences. The service works in remote areas where traditional broadband might not be available, and the setup process is simple. However, it can be more expensive than others, but better for those who need high-speed internet. Meanwhile, HughesNet provides satellite internet with speeds up to 25 Mbps, which is sufficient for basic browsing and light streaming. However, it offers budget-friendly plans, but its higher latency can lead to delays in activities like gaming or calls. The service has data limits and speed slowdown, which isn't great for heavy users. It is best for those who need a basic connection in rural areas without requiring high speed. In my opinion, Starlink is better for speed and performance, while HughesNet offers more budget-friendly options. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.